Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and I want to know, are you using landing pages, whether you're going to gather webinar audience, announce a new product, or offer a discount? Landing pages are different, and I've got a Google document, the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com. There's a link in there about using landing pages, and if you're using them. And they're also known as lead capture page, single property page, a static page, a squeeze page, that's an old name, destination page. Anyway, they're going to drive traffic to your site, to your offer, to your idea, and I hope that you've got those on the slate for things to see and do. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.